Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchen, the Freeze Drying Academy. Alright, the last episode I mentioned to you about the gummy worms. Well, alright, enough about that. Okay, you get the point, right? Okay, let's move on a little bit. And what we're going to do now is we're going to do, not Laffy Taffy, I was thinking Laffy Taffy. Oh, Now and Laters, my bad. We kind of, me and my wife were going back and forth between Laffy Taffy and Now and Laters, and we actually come over here, we did the Now and Laters, okay? I've got 4 trays. Each tray has 20 pieces, so we got a total combination of 80 complete pieces. And just so you know, a little side note here, when you go to the farmer's market or wherever you go to see the freeze dry and you say, man, why is this stuff so expensive? Here's something I want you to think about. For me to load these 80 pieces, these 4 trays, it took me 30 minutes to do that. Now, if you want to do the math on California minimum wage and stuff, I think minimum wage for California now is like almost 21 bucks an hour, give or take. You do the math, you come up with like 10 bucks just to have some kid do these 4 trays. So that's why freeze drying is expensive. You got the cost of the machine and packaging and so on, but enough about that because right now we're doing it for our enjoyment. All right, so 4 trays, okay, going to go in the freeze dryer. But remember, you got to come over here real quick and you'll see that I did the list, okay? Why did I do that list? Well, come back over here, look at number 3 and number 4 over there. If I didn't have these 2 little things, they are kind of hard to tell what flavor they are, okay? So, over there, I believe it said banana is number 1. So I got to open up the vacuum real quick because I got to get the machine ready. Banana's number 1. The door's going to pop open. Ooh, look at that. That's because I just released the vacuum. Tray 1. Banana. Tray 2, I believe says grape. Yes, it does. Tray 3 should be the strawberry. Let's see. Here we go. Now, remember to take off this little one that you wrapped up, okay? Because I don't think we want to know what happens if we don't unwrap it. All right. Tray 4 is cherry. Into the machine it goes. Lock it up. And remember, you've got to hit start the new batch. Now, because these are the soft candies, you don't call them gummies, but there's a term for it. I can't think of it right now. But it's more of the Laffy Taffy, but it's not Laffy Taffy. I know you probably heard my wife over there trying to give me the cue here. It's something, I'll think about it. I'll probably put a little comment on it. But it's soft candy. Oh, saltwater taffy, kind of similar candy. Okay, so soft, not caramels, but you kind of get the point. Hit the start new candy batch. And again, it loves to do that. It likes me to touch it multiple times. There we go. Make sure candy mode is on. Hit continue. It's going to ask me about warming the trays. Now, in this case, we do want to warm the trays, so we're going to hit start. And we're going to go 10 minutes. Okay, now, here's what this kind of does. You'll see on the screen where it says warming tray to 150. Normally, once it reaches 150, the machine starts doing the vacuum mode, okay? What this does here is it adds an extra 10 minutes, so kind of pauses the vacuum for 10 minutes to allow all 4 of the trays to maintain 150. Because remember, that bottom tray sometimes stays cold. Okay, so let that go. It's going to go until 150 plus 10 minutes. It's going to start vacuuming. Make sure all your valves are closed, which mine is not. That's a good catch here. I just had to close that valve right there. And make sure your other valve is closed. You're ready to go. I'll bring you back when these babies are done.